Hello students, be ready for maths class. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.2 of chapter 3 from standard 7 mathematics. First sum, the scores in mathematics test of 15 students is as follows. The marks is given. Now find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Now solution for this. Arranging the given data in ascending orders. Now, mode is the observation occurred the highest number of time. So in given data, 20 is occurred highest number of time. Therefore, mode is equal to 20. Now, median is the middle observation. Here, total number of observation is 15. Therefore, 8th is the middle observation and 8th number is 20. Therefore, median is equal to 20. The final answer, yes, mode and median are same for given observation. It's clear everyone? Sum number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. The run is given. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Now answer for this. Arrange the given data in ascending order. Now mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Here the total is 429 and number of observation is 11. So 429 divided by 11 is equal to 39. Now mode is the observation occurred the highest number of time. Here 15 occurs 3 times, therefore mode is equal to 15. Now median. Median is the middle observation is equal to 15. Why it is 15? Because it is in the center of the given data. Therefore, mode and median is 15. Now final answer, no, mean, median and mode are not same. It's clear everyone? Sum number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are dash dash dash. First question, find the mode and median of this data. Second, is there more than one mode? Now solution for this. Arrange the given data in ascending order. Now answer for the first one. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Therefore, mode is equal to 38 and 43. Why it is so? Because both occurred 3 times. Now, median is the middle observation is equal to 40. Why? It is 8th number. Just count it. First one is 32, second 35, third 36, fourth 37, fifth 38, sixth 38, 7th number 38 and 8th number is 40. So the median is 40. Now second, yes, there are two modes, that is 38 and 43. Sum number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. Now solution. Arranging the given data in ascending order. Now mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Here it is 14 because it is occurred 3 times. In median is the middle observation, that is 14th. It is the 5th observation. It is on the middle of the given observation after arranging in ascending order. Sum number 5th. Tell whether the statement is true or false. First one. The mode is always one of the number in the data. Obviously it's true. Second. The mean is one of the number in a data. It's a false one. Third. The median is always one of the number in a data. Again, it's a true. Last one. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13. 9 has mean 9. It's a false. Student, please try to solve this by yourself. Okay.